we're tracking, and this one is from the national capital as dense fog has engulfed the Delhi NCR area. There's zero visibility in a national capital is what we're learning. Whether that has affected the flight operation at the airport, for that we'll connect with our reporters. But as you can see in the visuals, dense fog has engulfed the national capital, and at several places, not just in Delhi, but across northern India, there is zero visibility. For more on this, let me go across to my colleague Niyamika, who's been tracking all the details. Niyamika, we can see behind you that there is dense fog, but do take us through whether this has affected the flight operations in Delhi.
Well, yes, indeed, Akansha, I would also like to show you the visuals first, as right now we are standing at Anand Vihar, where you can see that a dense fog layer has been engulfed in the air. As you can also see that the visibility is quite low, which is also affecting the transportation. As in these visuals also you can see that there is a thick layer of fog which has been engulfed in the air of the national capital, as this has basically impacted the flight operations, as well as the trains are also getting delayed. In fact, the Delhi airport has also issued an advisory in which it is being mentioned very clearly that passengers needs to get some extra time before traveling to the Delhi airport, as in fact many of the trains are also getting delayed because of this thick layer of fog which is impacting the visibility, in particular as it is the time when the AQI is also reaching to the severe category as per the data which has been given by the Central Pollution Control Board. Currently, the AQI stands at 481 here at the Anand Vihar station, where this is basically also being advised to the people, specifically the elderly and the children, to restrict their outdoor activities, as they are also being advised to wear masks because GRAP 4 is also being imposed in the national capital because of the rise in air pollution due to the unfavorable weather condition, and that is the only reason why we can also see that people are having an issue in breathing in particular because of this air pollution, as well as the fog which can clearly be seen in these visuals.
Absolutely. So there's fog, there's worsening air quality in the national capital, and thirdly, the temperature has also dipped there. So that remains the situation as far as the national capital is concerned. Thank you so much, Niyamika, for all the details. With this, a short break.